Alright, here we have the Holosun HS407K. Doing a slight unboxing for you guys, and then I'm going to show you how to install it real quick. So yeah, it's pretty standard. We have the paperwork, screws, nothing crazy. Then inside we have the optics, the red dot, if I can get it out. More screws. You can see the red dot. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys really quick how to install it. First, you have to take off this MOS slide top. It's 2 screws. They give you something. And you need an adapter plate. That's what I just showed you guys. You need an adapter plate to make sure it fits tight. I'm just showing you guys that it's free and clear. Not even loaded. But yeah, you just unscrew these 2 screws. It's really easy. As you can see, taking these 2 screws apart. Yeah, and after you get that plate off, you'll put the adapter plate on. Install the optics. They give you 2 longer screws to put in there. You just screw those back in. After you finish screwing those back in, you're pretty much done. As you can see the red dot under there. I might need to zero it out, but yeah, you guys let me know if you want me to take this to the range. But comment, like, subscribe.